Hello Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today we have a special announcement to make. We are launching the awesome Aadi sale of Avishya and we have some fabulous merchandise at very great prices for you. I'll take you through all the collections that we have, and different collections are coming at different discounts. Our discounts range starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. So please join me in this quick little journey as I take you through the different collections and tell you which collections are available at what discounts. On the rack, these are Banarsi silk cotton salwar suit sets, and these are all available at a 25% discount. You can see them, beautiful colors, lovely fabric. These are Banarsi silk cotton salwar suits with wonderful organza dupattas. Then if you come this way, just join me as we go this way, on the right hand side, you'll see a lovely collection of Pochampalli ikat silk sarees, and these are available at a discount of 10%, right? So after that, let's move on to the other merchandise which is displayed here. We start off with this side. This side again, this entire collection all the way up to here is available at a discount of 25%. We have Banarsi crushed tissue organzas right there in front. Then you have fabulous Banarsi georgettes. Then you have wonderful cutly embroidered organza sarees. This collection is here. Then we have fabulous collection of geometric Chhattisgarh tussar silk sarees, fantastic tussar silk sarees with the geometric design. And then here is our collection of Madurai silk cottons, and this also is a fabulous range of colors are available, and all these are available at a discount of 25%. Now coming to the next collection, which is available at 20%, we have some wonderful Kanjivaram silks. I've just displayed 2 or 3 here, but we have more. These are available at 20%. Similarly, we have a lovely collection of Himru silk sarees. These are also available at 20%. And this is a lovely collection of Gadwal silks, which are also available at 20%. Wide range of colors, designs, different types. If you see right behind me, there's a fabulous range of kurtas that we have. Lovely kurtas, handloom inspired and made using handloom material, beautifully styled and designed, wonderfully designed. There are Dabu prints here, there are batik prints here, there are wonderful Ajrak prints here, and styled very differently. Some are embroidered, some are printed, and some are designed very differently. All these handloom inspired kurtas are available at a discount of 20%. Now moving on to the other side, we have this collection which is available at a discount of 15%, which is really, this is a lovely collection of embroidered salwar suit sets, fabulously embroidered and garnished, beautiful with gotapatti work, lovely embroidered organza with the gotapatti work. This is available at 15%. Similarly, we have Anoki printed sarees, and we have Bagh printed sarees. We have lovely Bagh prints and lovely Anoki prints. Both of these are also available at a 15% discount. Moving on to the next collection. This collection is available at a discount of 10%, which is really, there's a beautiful, lovely muslin silk, batik printed muslin silk sarees which are available. This is available. These are lovely, beautiful Maheshwaris, exclusive Maheshwaris, authentically sourced directly from Maheshwar itself. These are available also at a discount of 10%. Similarly, the Banarsi georgettes here are available at a discount of 10%. Beautiful silver zari Banarsi georgettes available at a discount of 10%. Also, as I showed you before, there is this entire collection of Pochampalli ikat silks are also available at a discount of 10%. Here we come last to the items available at a discount of 5%. You have some wonderful exclusive designer chanderis, beautiful designer chanderis here. And then of course we have our collection of designer Kanjivarams, specially designed. It's actually coordinated with us. We work with some special handloom weavers in Kanjivaram who made some beautifully designed Kanjivaram silk sarees for us. And this entire beautifully designed Kanjivaram silk sarees are available. This collection is available at a 5% discount for Aadi. And last but not the least, we come to our fabulous exclusive collection of Paithani cotton sarees made authentically crafted together in the place where all original Paithanis are made, in that district, Deola district where it is made. It's fabulous Paithani sarees, Paithani cotton sarees, all available at a discount of 5%. Crafted blouses which we sell at Avishya, beautiful range of blouses. They are all available at a discount of 20%. And of course, you must be seeing the shirt that I'm wearing. This is a men's shirt, men's Ajrak printed shirt that I'm wearing, and this is launched recently by Avishya, and we have a fabulous collection for all sizes ranging from small to XXL. Beautiful fabulous fabric made from authentic handloom fabric and Ajrak printed. These shirts are all available at a flat discount of 5%. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and those of you who want to really avail of this offer, please come out to the Avishya store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. It's a very interesting store. I promise you that you have wonderful experience shopping at our store. Please come over. Our staff will be very happy to show you the entire collection, and this entire month we are running this Aadi offer, so it's starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. I am sure you and your family will enjoy shopping with us. Please do come out to the store and enjoy this shopping experience and the offer. Those of you who are not living in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. We ship all over the country, all over India, and in fact, we ship internationally as well. To almost 40 countries, we do shipping of our products. There are customers of ours in 40 different countries. We ship all over the world. And please come over to avishya.com. You can choose from the entire collection of Avishya. Again, all available at the fabulous awesome Aadi offer of 5% all the way up to 30%. Up to 30% offers are there. Please avail of it during the period of the offer. And those of you who like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you keep getting our videos in the feed. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we have also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.